Hey there, I'm back, and today, or tonight, honestly, it's late, I want to take the fiberglass dashboard off, because I probably should have done it earlier. I haven't technically seen all of the body yet, so it doesn't look that hard, but I haven't read the manual, so why not? We'll try it. I'm going to start by removing the other half of the, I don't know, what are we calling this? What do you know? It's actually threaded and not a captive nut. That's amazing. Or, actually, I'm not even complaining about captive nuts. I'm complaining about the ones that aren't. It may seem kind of trivial, but I also want to remove that center grate for whatever reason. I don't know, I just want to. Are these stuck in there? Yes, they are. Okay. I've already done it to the other side because it scares the crap out of me. I sat it last time, but when I bent these down, I exposed some pretty nasty spikes. And I'd really prefer if these weren't, weren't at crotch level, personally. But they're definitely getting cut off when I reassemble this thing, because they don't do anything. So, yeah, hopefully I don't stab myself now. I just gotta. Oh wow, this one's really. Yeah, this one's just crumbling in my hands. That is a shame. I would like to use these. I suppose as long as the face survives, I can use them. But hey, I got plenty of like spare Miata ones sitting around, and to be honest, they work better. So why waste my time with those? I have a feeling it's gonna be better to detach that, so might as well. That should help, maybe? I don't know. I think it's finally time to pull the gauge cluster out. I really hope it'll come out without doing the steering wheel first. But it seems to be quite wiggly, so give it a shot, I guess. Oh, yes, awesome, okay. That's not supposed to come out, but I guess it is. Okay, that was a lot harder than I thought it'd be. I think I want to yank out the ducting before I do anything else. Or I can just tear it off, because it's that old. Yeah, let's just tear it off. I would have saved it if it didn't crumble on me. Sorry. Now I have marginally more room to work with. And it really does seem like that single support bar is what's holding it in there. Oh, there goes the oh shit handle. Alright, now all we gotta deal with is the gauges, but I can imagine we can disconnect those once we get it tilted up. It's just this fascia, or whatever this thing is. We need to remove this somehow. Oh, wait a second. I can just pull those, I can just pull them off. The strings off. And that should let the levers, go. because I don't think they're connected any other way. Oh, that's what I'm hung up on. Okay. That makes sense. Now, anyway. There we go. That was easier than I thought it'd be. Luckily, I don't have to entirely disconnect it just yet. So, we gotta pull this little cradle off first. And then it looks like I should be able to push it through. And that should give me not horrible access to it, because there's plenty of extra line here. Yep. At least it's decently flexible. Oh, is this a copper fitting? Is it gonna destroy itself? That would suck. Nope, it's not. Well, it is copper, but it's not gonna destroy itself. I'm expecting this to make a mess. Oh no, it's bone dry. That's a good sign, I guess, but not really. What a neat little mechanism. Well, I mean, it's a very standard pressure gauge, but I mean, gosh, I'm used to working on cars that, you know, would do this electronically. So this time it appears to be a wiring harness. I don't know what's falling, but I'll have to collect that all later. More disintegrating hoses, channels, all sorts of goodies. Oh, finally! There goes the dashboard. Wow, it's just as bad under there as I thought it was. This is gonna take some work. Yeah. Yikes. Well, I got a cool prize. I think that means I'm gonna be done. I think this is gonna get tossed somewhere. I don't know really, I'm not there yet. There's good for now. So that's what we're working with underneath the dash. Ain't that lovely? I don't like how so many parts are just like glued to it, almost like randomly. But whatever, we're here now. I'm replacing the wiring with something. I'm making my own harness, so I really don't care how bad a shape this stuff is in. But it's definitely not reassuring. At least I'll have plenty of bulkheads to work with when I make my own, and you know, whatever's going on here, I'm not sure what's going on here. So, dashboard's out now. I think that's pretty cool. But I don't want to do anything else right now because that was a lot harder than it should have been. You know, I can take a Miata. I can take the entire front end of a Miata. Well, you know, front interior of a Miata apart in like 5 minutes. I've gotten real good at it. But this is bad. No matter how many times I do it, this is not going to be fun. But whatever. I hope there's some improvements I can make, and until next time.